Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing my experience with the Power BI course by Udemy. This course promises to teach you the skills you need to become a power user of Power BI, a powerful business intelligence tool. The course is designed to teach students how to analyze and visualize data using Power BI. It covers a wide range of topics, including connecting to data sources, transforming and modeling data, creating visualizations, and sharing reports. By the end of the course, students will be able to use Power BI to gain insights from data and make informed business decisions. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to use Power BI, regardless of their experience level. It is suitable for business analysts, business intelligence professionals, and anyone who wants to improve their data analysis skills. The course is divided into several modules. 1. Introduction to Power BI. In this module, you'll learn the basics of Power BI, including the user interface and how to connect to different data sources. 2. Data transformation and modeling. Here, you'll learn how to transform and model data using Power Query and DAX. You'll also learn how to create relationships between different data sets. 3. Visualizations and reports. This module will teach you how to create different types of visualizations, including bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots. You'll also learn how to create dashboards and share reports with others. 4. Advanced analysis and modeling. In the final module, you'll learn more advanced topics, such as creating calculated columns and measures, using AI and machine learning in Power BI, and optimizing performance. I was really impressed with the course content and the way it was taught. The instructor was very knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of each concept. The course was also well structured, and the modules built on each other nicely. The only downside was that some of the lectures were a bit long, and I would have liked to see more interactive exercises to practice what we were learning. Overall, I highly recommend this course to anyone who wants to learn Power BI. It's a great way to get started with this powerful tool and gain the skills you need to analyze and visualize data. So, if you're ready to take your data analysis skills to the next level, this course is for you. I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.